ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Jingïalang jangka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala. Ula waknia ya ke Sorkar Meghalaya. Halor ke jingbom ajingbet ya ke Seng Congress ban Pynlong ya ke Jingïalang bat kisamla pule ha University of Science and Technology Meghalaya. Haga jingye keren bat kilat pathai kubor haga arpulai tarik ukala lengkot arajar arpusau. Uba pala ulapan pau ya ke jing songsi halor kene ke jing shimrai jong ke Sorkar bat kenoru bagane baro kadai ke jing Shah kharwait shabi haga BJP na Delhi. Kabaya trailang bat ke NPP.
We have applied for a permission that Rahul Gandhi should not only meet the Congress workers, not only meet the civil society representative, not only meet the youth, but he should also meet the students and like-minded people at the Ustm. Why in Ustm? Because Ustm has a big hall which can accommodate up to more than 3,000 people. So the students were ready. Actually, the program is supposed to be at 8 o'clock. It's very difficult to get the students, but the students are supposed to be ready. But very unfortunately, the government led by NPP, UDP, and the BJP here, they refused. They didn't give a permission based on silly reasons. Normally, when we have a program in the university, if the university gives a clearance, NOC, then if we apply with that, we enclose, and they give a permission because it's not an election campaign and the code of conduct has not started in the country. Therefore, a permission is required only for security and the NOC from the universities. So, very unfortunately, I think it shows that the government in Meghalaya has been directed by the BJP at the center as well as maybe from leader of the northeastern states. Therefore, every votes, every decisions where people give to a UDP or an NPP, it is for the BJP. Therefore, people should be clear in their mind. In the coming elections, whatever votes given to a non-Congress, it's for a BJP. This shows yesterday's, they are scared of the Congress and unreasonably they have declined the admission or rather the permission for us. So very unfortunate.